In the wild, speed means survival, but wisdom means forever. High above the emerald crowns of the great forest flew two flocks, one of falcons, swift and fierce, the other of sparrows, small and clever. The falcon ruled the sky with power. The sparrow ruled the trees with knowledge. Two worlds separated by pride. Yet one morning, both would burn under the same sky. When fire rose from the earth, the air turned heavy. Wings once meant for flight now fought to breathe. The flames climbed the trees, our nests. We must flee. We can outrun the fire, follow the wind. The wind carries smoke, not safety. You may fly far, but our young cannot follow. And so, for the first time, the sky's fastest and the sky's smartest looked at one another, not as rivals, but as survivors. A falcon trusting a sparrow. Has the sky gone mad? Sometimes knowledge must ride on the wind of speed. The falcon offered what no bird could match, flight through smoke and storm. The sparrow offered what no bird could find, paths through shadow and branch. Your forest trails are too narrow for my wings, and your pride is too wide for survival. Together, they began the impossible, leading hundreds through fire's hunger. The flames chase us faster, then fly as one. Use the updrafts, ride the heat. In the smoke, power followed wisdom, and wisdom followed courage. Two songs, once dissonant, became one. But when nature tests unity, not all wings endure. Hold on, little one. The falcon's feathers burned, but his pride, for the first time, shone brighter than flame. You saved us. Why? Because no wing can touch the sky alone. When the smoke cleared, the forest was scarred, but the sky was shared. No longer did the falcon fly alone, nor the sparrow hide beneath leaves. In the wild, greatness is not measured by strength or speed, but by how far we lift others when the sky falls. In the wild, every wing carries a story. Some were born to soar, others to guide, but only when they fly together can the sky truly breathe again.